This is how to work the left lift increase. So with the tip of my left needle, I'm going to lift the left leg of the stitch 2 rows beneath the one just worked. So this is the last stitch, not the previous row but the one beneath it, and then knit through the back leg of the lift stitch. This time I'm going to show you how to do it if you hold your yarn with your right hand. So again, like before, insert the tip of your left needle through the left leg of the stitch 2 rows beneath the last one, and knit through the back leg of the stitch.